Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra from Caseology. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're looking for some cases. Look no further. Today I will be reviewing the Caseology Athlex case for that S23 Ultra of yours. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? How does it look? Does it have bulk? Can you wireless charge? Does it protect your camera? How easy is it to get the pen out? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I need to give a shout out to Caseology for sending these cases out to me for a review. I have been using Caseology cases for a few years now, and I wanted to try them out for my S23 Ultra. So again, shout them out for sending it to me. But let's get into it. Nice presentation from them. Bam. It comes in different colors too. I'll have links in the description if you want to pick it up. But let's get into it. You have this little pull tab. I was pulling and it wasn't coming out. So this is the black and gray one. I love how it has this extra grip on there. Now you have some books. Welcome to the club. We are happy to have you. But here's the case. I'm all about grip this year and not dropping my phone. And this case has some of the best grip out there so far. Look at that inside pattern too. Protective case from for Samsung. Caseology in Irvine, California down there. I like that gray color. But let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. You get camera protection. Look at that cutouts, y'all. That is a great job. So you get that lay down or camera protection in the back. You also get some lip action in the front. I would not slam my case down at all, but you can lay it down there and still get that protection that you look for. Everything at the bottom lines up really well. Everything at the top lines up. The power button is easy to press. The Vine rockers are the same. The only thing too is the Vine rockers are one big button. So I need case companies to listen to this video. Make like two separate buttons, but also make it where we can distinguish which one is the volume up and volume down button. The power button should also be ridged too. But it's not, I mean, the buttons are great. They're easy to press, nice and tactile, but you will have to figure out, you know, which button you're pressing. Which is not bad, but someone brought that up to me in my comments, so I'm bringing it up to the case people now. I love the design. I love how grippy this case is. Side profile doesn't add much bulk to your phone, as you can tell there. And at the top too. Doesn't add much bulk, but it gives you grip, man. I love these little lines in there too. I like this case. Now, can you get the pen out? I think you will be able to, because again, they bring it down to the frame, y'all. Case manufacturers do what they're doing. A lot, some of them are, but some of them not. Bring it down to the frame. It's easy to take out. People without fingernails like myself will not struggle to get my pen out of there. So it's easy to come out. Man, can you wireless charge? What y'all think? Yes, you can wireless charge with this case on there. I didn't think you would have a problem with it. Do y'all like this case? Man, this is probably becoming one of my favorite cases to use for my phone just because of the grip, the look of it. Now, does it fit well? Yes, it fits pretty well. I mean, it's a little, again, a lot of case manufacturers have trouble with the cutouts down there, but it comes back. Now, also, how hard is it to get off? You have to get some effort to get it off too, which is always a good thing. It's not much, but it takes some effort to get it off. which is a good thing. So the case fits really well. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you know when I'm dropping my latest video on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Again, this was the Caseology Athlex case. Pick it up from Amazon. Y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm out.